High-quality raw cotton bales, carefully selected for their softness and purity, arrive at the textile mill. This natural fiber will eventually become the breathable base layer that provides all ladies' bra crafted by Argus Apparel. The dense cotton bales are mechanically opened and loosened, releasing clean fibers that begin their journey through the mill. This critical early step ensures that only the finest and ultra-soft fabric used in Argus Apparel bras. Here, pure cotton is precisely blended with spandex and polyester fibers in exact proportions. This combination creates the ideal stretch, recovery, and softness required for bras, the hallmark of Argus Apparel's premium collection. Freshly spun yarns are carefully wound onto large cones, ensuring even tension and smooth delivery. These prepared cones hold the high-performance yarns that will be knitted into the flexible, body-contouring fabrics used in every Argus bra. In the carding process, remaining impurities are removed and the fibers are perfectly aligned into uniform webs. This meticulous cleaning and alignment stage is essential for cotton fabric that delivers exceptional comfort and durability in every Argus ladies bra. State-of-the-art knitting machines transform the yarns into soft, highly stretchable fabrics. These specialized knits are engineered to deliver the perfect combination of support and breathability needed for premium ladies bras from Argus Apparel. Every roll of knitted fabric undergoes thorough inspection and relaxation. This important step controls shrinkage and ensures dimensional stability, so the final bra maintains its perfect shape and fit even after repeated wear and washing.
The fabrics enter precise dyeing and finishing processes using controlled steam and gentle chemistry. This creates beautiful, even colors and exceptionally soft hand feel and irritation-free against the skin in every Argus Apparel bra.
After final pressing and inspection, the premium stretch fabrics are neatly rolled into bolts. These high-quality materials, now soft, breathable, and perfect apparel facility, are ready to be transformed into elegant and comfortable ladies' bras. Finished stretch fabrics, now perfectly prepared with exceptional softness and elasticity, leave the textile mill on forklifts. These high-quality bolts are carefully transported to the Argus Apparel production facility into premium ladies' bras. Workers carefully load each bolt into the climate-controlled truck, ensuring the delicate stretch fabrics remain protected. This safe transport preserves the fabric's quality so it arrives ready for precise cutting and sewing at the Argus Apparel factory. Once loaded and securely strapped, the truck doors close, protecting the premium fabrics from any external elements during their journey to the main production facility. The transport truck arrives at the modern Argus Apparel facility. Here, the journey of the fabric concludes and the next chapter of bra manufacturing begins under strict quality standards. Looks good, no transit damage. Inside the Argus Apparel facility, the fabrics are transferred to internal handling systems, the ligeros of grain damages.
Fabrics are organized and labeled by style and color in the receiving area. This careful preparation guarantees that the right material is used for each design in Argus Apparel's premium ladies bra collection.
Nestled in a modern industrial park, the Argus Apparel factory stands as a center of excellence in premium lingerie manufacturing. Here, carefully selected fabrics are transformed with precision and care into comfortable, supportive ladies bras worn by women worldwide.
Morning, team.
Morning. Ready for the day? Always. Let's make it count. Dedicated workers arrive each day at the Argus Apparel facility. Before entering the production areas, every team member follows strict hygiene protocols. This disciplined preparation maintains the cleanliness required for creating skin-friendly, high-quality ladies' bras. Stepping onto the production floor, the team enters a world of precision manufacturing. This is where raw fabric begins its transformation into elegant and functional ladies' bras designed for everyday confidence and comfort. With focused attention and skilled hands, the team moves to their stations. Every process here is optimized to turn premium stretch fabrics into beautifully constructed ladies' bras that prioritize both support and softness. Alignment inspection, these fabric receipts to doctors. Ready for cutting. Will meet Argus Apparel's high standards for comfort and appearance. Cut components are sorted and grouped with care. These individual pieces,
the building blocks of support and comfort,
are now ready for the next critical stages of cleaning, assembly, and transformation. With cutting complete, the individual bra components enter the cleaning and sorting stage. This methodical process ensures every piece is pristine before skilled hands and machines bring them together into finished Argus Apparel ladies' bras. Freshly cut bra components arrive at the initial cleaning and sorting station. These precisely shaped pieces of stretch fabric will now undergo careful cleaning to remove any cutting dust and loose fibers before further assembly into premium Argus Apparel ladies' bras. Each cut component is meticulously cleaned using soft brushes and controlled air. This important step ensures the fabric remains completely free of particles, so the final bra feels soft and irritation-free against the skin. After cleaning, the components are carefully sorted according to size and bra style. This systematic organization allows efficient flow and ensures that matching pieces come together perfectly during the sewing process for consistent fit and quality.
Edges are clean. Stretch looks good.
Detailed visual inspection under strong lighting confirms that Argus moved forward Gentle steaming relaxes the spandex-containing fabrics, allowing them to return to their natural state. This critical preparation prevents distortion later and ensures the bra will maintain its shape and supportive fit after washing. With cleaning, sorting, and preparation complete, the individual bra pieces are now positioned for the core processing stage. This organized transition marks the beginning of actual bra construction at the Argus Apparel factory. Temporary tacking stitches hold the multiple layers together securely. This preparatory sewing allows the complex bra structure to stay aligned during the more intensive sewing operations that follow. Elastic bands and straps checked.
Closures and adjusters counted.
Fabric pieces sorted. Underwires and sleeves all set. Kit complete for sewing. Having completed initial cleaning and sorting, the bra components now enter the heart of the factory. Here, skilled sewing and assembly processes will transform these individual pieces into complete, comfortable, and beautifully finished Argus Apparel ladies' bras.
The prepared components now reach the core processing stage at the Argus Apparel factory. Here, skilled operators begin the detailed sewing work that will bring the individual pieces together into a functional and comfortable ladies' bra.
Operators precisely sew the cup layers together, joining the soft outer stretch fabric with the inner lining. This foundational seam creates the cup structure that will later provide shape and gentle support in the finished Argus bra. The supportive underband elastic is carefully sewn to the cups. This step gives the bra its foundational stretch and security, ensuring it stays comfortably in place while allowing flexibility for all-day wear. The side wings are joined to the cups with strong, precise seams. These connections form the main body of the bra, creating the structure that will provide lateral support and a smooth silhouette. Adjustable straps are securely attached to the front and back of the bra. This important feature allows for personalized fit and ensures the bra distributes weight comfortably across the shoulders. The center gore is carefully sewn between the cups, creating the bridge that holds the bra together at the front. This small but critical piece ensures proper separation and alignment of the cups for optimal support.
Placing it on now for the shape check.
Straps are aligned, check fit shape and alignment after sewing. Any minor adjustments are noted before the garment proceeds to the finishing stages. The core sewing stage is now complete. Individual fabric pieces have been transformed into recognizable bra structures. These garments are ready for the final precision work, trimming and detailing that will make them ready to wear Argus Apparel ladies' bras. The main transformation stage begins with careful edge trimming and seam cleaning. Every loose thread is removed and edges are perfected so the bra feels smooth and professional, both inside and out. The main transformation stage begins with careful edge trimming and seam cleaning. Every loose thread is removed and edges are perfected so the bra feels smooth and professional, both inside and out.
For styles that need extra support, underwires are carefully inserted into their channels and the openings are securely stitched. This provides structured lift while maintaining comfort and preventing any poking or discomfort.
Soft elastic binding is precisely sewn around the neckline and underband. This step creates a clean, comfortable edge that lies flat against the skin and enhances the overall stretch and recovery of the bra.
Official Argus Apparel labels, size tags, and care instructions are carefully sewn into place. These details not only identify the brand, but also provide important information to the customer for proper care and longevity of the bra.
Steam pressing sets all seams and gives the bra a crisp, finished look. This step helps the garment hold its shape and ensures it looks neat and elegant when it reaches the customer. Final hand finishing adds the delicate touches that elevate the bra's appearance. Whether adding a small bow at the center gore or ensuring perfect lace placement, these details reflect the premium quality of Argus Apparel craftsmanship.
Seams feel smooth, no irritation. Good, elastic is secure. Folding this one looks perfect.
Each completed bra is carefully prepared and protected. This organized handling prevents wrinkles and keeps the garments in perfect condition as they move into the final automation and quality control stages. The main transformation stage is now complete. What began as separate pieces of fabric has been skillfully transformed into complete, elegant ladies' bras. These garments are ready for advanced automation, final precision work, and rigorous quality assurance. The completed bras now enter the high-tech automation systems area. Here, advanced machinery takes over repetitive tasks with precision, allowing workers to focus on quality while increasing efficiency in Argus Apparel's production line. Automated folding systems use sensors and gentle grippers to fold every bra with perfect consistency. This technology ensures uniform presentation and protects the delicate fabric and straps from wrinkles or distortion. Automated folding systems use sensors and gentle grippers to fold every bra with perfect consistency. This technology ensures uniform presentation and protects the delicate fabric and straps from wrinkles or distortion. Automated folding systems use sensors and gentle grippers to fold every bra with perfect consistency. This technology ensures uniform presentation and protects the delicate fabric and straps from wrinkles or distortion. As the automation phase concludes, control smoothly transitions back to skilled workers. This balanced combination of technology and human expertise guarantees both efficiency and the personal touch that defines Argus Apparel quality. The high-tech automation systems have efficiently handled folding, inspection, labeling, and sorting. The bras are now perfectly prepared and organized, ready for the final precision work and finishing touches that will make them ready for customers. Protective bagging automation places each bra into individual packaging while removing excess air. This keeps the garment clean, dust-free, and looking fresh until it reaches the retail shelf or customer. Robotic stacking systems organize the packaged bras into neat, stable stacks. This automation reduces manual handling and ensures consistent pallet arrangement for efficient movement through the remaining production stages.